Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to continue my series on ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, as part of my passive investment series. So in this video I'm going to talk about Motilal Midcap 100 ETF. So this takes the top 100 midcap stocks, and let me do a technical analysis on this video, on this ETF. So you see RSI is in the overbought scenario, so it's not a good time to buy. Probably 14th March was a good time. Let us wait for some more time, but it's a good one. Let me show you the one second. MOM 100 portfolio. Complete holding. So it has Adani, all your favorite Adani gas, Tata Power, Tata Elxsi, Emphasis. So the thing you can see top ones. Deepak Nitrate, IPCA, and you also see number of all 1% each company. Lalpat, Emami, Abbott, Exide, IndiaMart. Basically the top 100 mid-cap companies. And it depends on 0.16 to 2%. I will just go through, you can just pause whenever you want. I can see the list. Then there's also the Nifty Midcap 150. It's released very recently. That is on 28th Jan 2020, or just before the pandemic. So prices have doubled in the last 2 years. It follows, instead of 100, it has the top 150 stocks, quality mid-cap companies. So this is one. Let me see if there is any other option. Quite recent addition. Almost following the same pattern. The RSI, this is a modified RSI. This is the MACD. So there's a bearish divergence. So bearish crossover. That price it's performing slightly better than Nifty 50. So it's in the overbought condition. You have to wait before you buy. Then I look on this DSP Quality 50. So it's the Quality 50 mid-cap. Okay, so it's basically the top, Quality 50 stocks on the mid-cap index. It's quite recent, almost following a similar pattern as other mid caps. It's a fairly new one. Let me type portfolio. If you don't believe in investing 100 stocks, you can invest in quality 50 stocks. DSP Q50 ETF. Why is it showing man 50? You just see. Finally it's coming. Yeah. Midcap 150 quality. So the quality 50 companies. Let's go 20% CAG. Oh my god. Let me see the portfolio. So good CAGR, good P ratio. 11 out of 7 years, 17 years. The top 50 companies in Nifty, Midcap 150 has better performed the overall one. Good ROE, good debt to equity, higher EPS. Okay, there's quality ones like sorry, Page Industries, Crompton Grace, Tata Elxsi, Mindtree, Emphasis, L&T Techno Services, Supreme, Voltas, Deepak Nitrite, Atul. So 33%. I am not able to get the portfolio. Okay, let us see this. I am just trying to get the portfolio, which I am struggling. trying to get, but I'm not getting any. Let us see this. So these are list of companies. I got it from the Nifty Midcap 150. This is from the niftyindices.com website. I got this. So 3M India, AI Engineering, About India, Ajanta, Alembic, Alkyl Amine, Amaraja, Astral, Atul. If you go through, you can freeze the thing. Inami, Exide, lot of quality companies are actually there. Definitely this is a stock which you can definitely look into if you don't want to invest in 100 companies. This is a good one actually. I am just seeing the just a second. So guys, this is what I have done so far. Give me probably I will be continuing doing this video, and hope you like it. Let me know if you want to share any suggestions or comments. Hope you enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great weekend. Happy investing.